Lovegreen Mist Management is proud to introduce the Uni-Rail Metal Lathe shield system. We're bringing new safeguards for old lathe. Thousands of large capacity legacy metal lathes remain in service across America and around the world. Very few have effective chuck shields or point of operation shields. Our customers ask for a positive way to protect the workers from the hazards of flying chips, razor sharp stringers, and splashing coolant. In response, we designed, fabricated, and now can install the new Uni-Rail. Some of its features include shields, which both cover the lathe's chuck and point of operation, a heavy-duty shield suspension system, shields which roll easily into position from either left or right, a support system which anchors to the floor behind the lathe. This device may be sized for lathes between 22 inches and 40 inches. Includes an optional interlock with the spindle, and it will not interfere with loading. Or setup. The Uni-Rail lathe shield system is designed for lathes with a 22-inch and larger turning capacity. Every Uni-Rail lathe shield system is custom fabricated to your exacting specifications. Remember, the Uni-Rail attaches to the floor, not to the lathe. This simplifies installation. It's easy and quick. Just secure it to the floor behind the lathe and use it right away. In use, the Uni-Rail does not interfere with part loading or setup, and the Uni-Rail can be interlocked to the spindle to make sure that the spindle will not turn unless the Uni-Rail is in place. If you're interested, just go to our website, lovegreen.com/unirail.pdf, and download this tool. Capture your lathe's dimensions and we will build you a Uni-Rail lathe shield system. Contact Frank Schmidt, our National Sales Manager, at 651-707-9585 for more info on ordering and pricing. Thanks for listening and have a safe day.